If you're wondering whether coinpox.com is a legitimate cryptocurrency trading platform or just another crypto scam, today's review will give you an unbiased look at what's going on behind the scenes. Coinpox.com markets itself as an online platform offering fast, reliable, and efficient trading across more than 100 decentralized exchanges, featuring major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin. While that sounds promising, there are several red flags that make it hard to fully trust the platform right away. For starters, the website design appears to be a clone of other well-known crypto sites, which raises concerns about originality and authenticity. The security claims on their site are vague and don't offer real proof of robust protection measures, which is crucial for any crypto trading platform. Another notable point is that coinpox.com is operating under a very new domain, making it hard to track its track record or reputation. On top of that, the partnerships they advertise look questionable and lack verification from the companies involved. Perhaps most striking is the absence of any genuine user reviews or testimonials online, which usually serve as an important indicator of a platform's credibility. Overall, coinpox.com presents some interesting features but also carries warning signs that require careful consideration. It's neither clearly a scam nor fully trustworthy based on available information, so anyone interested should proceed with caution and do thorough due diligence before investing.